So I've noticed that I have a lot of alpha packs, meaning that I've decided to have a go at making it like an alpha pack opening video. I just want to see how it goes, and who knows, I might make another one. So like it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna watch me open alpha packs, and that's basically it. I hope I get some good stuff like legendaries and maybe a black ice. That would be pretty sick. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start. Reminder, I will be switching accounts, so just look out for that halfway through the video. So in total there will be 60 alpha pack openings. Ooh, rare, first time. That's actually, I like that. Okay, next one. And another rare. Okay, what is it? I do use castle quite a lot. I do like this. Okay. Yes, an epic. Please be black ice. Please be. Never mind. Don't have Zofia, but I'm actually saving up for her. So that's actually pretty cool. Okay, great. Is that common? Uncommon and common look quite similar, so I can never tell. Okay, it's a common. I actually don't mind that. It's actually okay. Okay. Another lame alpha pack. Yeah. Not a big fan of this skin. Another one. Oh my god. Okay. Jungle Panther. Actually, that's actually quite nice. Story about my cat. Okay, an epic. I really never used this gun. So, a rare. Yes, a duplicate. I actually like the duplicates because I never mind having money, you know. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. Black ice. No way. Black ice for buck. That is actually so good. My first black ice. Ooh, let's just get. I hope I get another one. Charms aren't the greatest, but at least it's universal. Okay. Come on, UB. This? Seriously? Okay. Another common. Okay. I do like wooden actually. Skin. Yeah, I actually like that skin. It's not a bad skin actually. Okay. Not a big fan of that skin considering I have another one from the UB club. It looks a little bit better. My first legendary, let's go. Okay, what will it be? Pretty nice looking. Quite stylish. Yes, okay, I guess. Okay. Okay, we got a rare. It is. Ooh, Blackbeard. Yeah, okay, that's pretty decent. Okay, please be black ice. If I just get one more black ice. It is. Whoa. It's not a black ice, but that is pretty sick. Mute, okay. Okay, another common. I have so many weapon skins for Jaeger. I have at least 8. So, I don't know. I might quit that one actually. Okay. Yeah. It's okay, but I have black ice for buck, so I'm never going to use that, to be honest. Okay. Don't use Montan much, but I do like that skin. It's not a bad skin. Another rare. Jeez. Ooh, I do. Oh, I use that for Elysian, so that's pretty nice. Another rare. How many rares are we gonna get? I don't use Bandit. I'd rather use Cade, but yeah, okay. Still pretty neat, modern. Ooh, another rare. This could be our chance. Okay. Please be Black Ice. Not another Jaeger skin. Actually, I really like that. The gold and the heartbeat. Yeah, actually, never mind. I actually quite like that. Not as good as Black Ice, but yeah, it'll do. Okay. Another universal charm. Been getting a lot of universal charms. Okay. And what will it be? Yeah, okay. I will equip that because I don't have much for the PM5K. Yeah, okay. Can go with Wamai. Yeah. I actually like that. Okay, another epic, please. Please. Okay. Yeah. Not really a big fan, to be honest. I guess it looks kind of cool. Yeah, okay. Okay. Another charm. Okay. And it's a universal. Jeez, getting a lot of universal charms. Yeah, I actually quite like that. Okay. I like to use Iana, so yeah, okay. And another epic. We've been getting a lot of epics. Oh, I really wanted this. It looks so sick. Okay, now that looks super cool. Yeah. And another epic. 2 epics in a row. Let's go. And it will be... Okay, please be... Never mind. I was about to ask for a Black Ice. What is that? Oh my god. How is that considered an epic? Ooh, Hibana. I have Thermite. Chibi, whatever you call them. Now I've got Hibana. Nice, okay. Okay. Yeah, I know. I don't really like that, to be honest. Okay, our next legendary. Let's go. Okay. Oh my. It's quite funny, so I'm probably going to equip it, but seriously, come on, newbie. It's a legendary as well. It's funny though. I like it. So, okay. I'm done. Okay. Next account. Let's go. Okay. Let's get right into it. Okay. So, our first one is a common. CHIMERA. Okay. That's pretty good. Next one. And it's an epic. Okay. But I have a better skin. I do like it though. Looks pretty nice. Stealthy. Yeah, okay. And, okay, 2 epics in a row. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, okay. And an epic. We are getting lucky on this account. Damn it, on this account I don't have Carly, so that'd be so good though. That is such a cool skin. It's like a shark. Okay, and a rare. We've not been getting very much commons on this account. I probably jinxed it though, to be honest. Yep, I jinxed it. Great. Wait. Yeah, I jinxed it. Yeah, okay, that's okay. And another one. Yep, I definitely jinxed it. Well, I actually don't mind that. Looks pretty decent. Yeah, okay. And it is Chimera. Another Chimera, okay. And an epic, and it is okay. Looks pretty decent, I guess. Okay, and it is okay. Okay. Universal. That isn't too bad for a universal. Looks nice. And another one, and it is a weave. Ooh, okay, I got that on this gun. Okay, rare, and it is. Okay, I do use Bandit on this account. Another acid rain. I do love this pistol, especially on dock. That's pretty nice. And an epic. We've been getting pretty lucky. Okay. Rook. I do like Rook. It's quite a good team player. Okay. White noise. Okay. It's pretty decent. And it is a rare, and we get Gridlock, and it's for fuse. Okay, looks pretty modern and cool. Another epic. We've been getting a lot of epics. Hope I get a black. Ooh, that is gold. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah. Hope I get a black ice. Just maybe one more black ice. That'd be nice. Ooh, duplicate. Nice. Okay, bean egg. Okay, that's why I got like A+ or something. 1% outlaw. I like that. Nice. Okay, yeah. Jeez, that's a lot of universal charms. Got like 1,000 of them. But anyway, epic, and it's a black ice. It is a black. Not again. My god, Monty comes out of nowhere with the ramshackle again. Leave me alone, jeez. Okay, another mushroom. It is another Chimera, okay. For Blitz. Quite like it. Okay. Waves. Yeah, okay. That's quite cool. Okay. NIGHTWORKS. Yeah. Okay. No massive difference, but yeah, okay. Okay. Winter Moon. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. We're all done. So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, and I'm out.